Good afternoon, students. I think
Good,
I'm audible
good
for
afternoon,
all.
sir.
Okay, just wait 2 to 3 minutes, then we will start the session. I think now the whiteboard is visible for all of you. Whiteboard
Yes,
is
sir.
okay. So in the last class, we have discussed about the BCD subtraction using nines complement, and we started discussion about the BCD subtraction using tens complement. And in the last class, we also know from the last class that the step for the tens complement of BCD subtraction. Okay, so first here I am not even write again the step. We will move first to the example. Just 1 minute. Okay, so in the last class I have given a example. So it is given that 10.2 minus 2.1. This problem is given in the last class. Okay, and today now we are doing that is the tens complements BCD subtraction. So One thing I also informed that whenever you will do tens complement in BCD, tens complement BCD subtraction, so here you can see this is 10.2 and this is minus 2.1. So if we consider the digit, so there is in the before mm, point there is two digit, but here it is one digit. So when you will do so one thing you should note in your mind that the digit should be equal. Okay, otherwise there may be a chance to get the incorrect result, or you maybe get the wrong answer. So first here I am writing here. First our step is the to get the nines complement. So here this is the superhand and this is the minuend. So 99.9 minus 0.2, sorry 0.2.1. So it is 8 and this is 7 and this is 9. So this is the nines complement, that is 97.8. So from this, how we get the tens complement? We just add here 1. So this is 97.9. This is the tens complement. Now we will represent this 97.9 in BCD form. So here we are writing 97.9 that is equals to 9 means 1001, 7 means 0111.1001, and the minuend that is 10.2. This is the minuend. So again we will represent the minuend in BCD forms, that is 1 means 00001, this is 0000.0010. Now we will add. So here this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. Next is 1, 1, 1 and 0. Third is 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, this is 0, this is 1. So the next step is to check the this is valid BCD or invalid BCD. Okay, so here you can see here this is 8 plus 2 plus 1, so this is 11 and it is greater than 9. It is greater than 9, so this bit is invalid BCD. The next is okay, this is valid and this is also invalid. Okay, this is 8, 10, this is 10, so this is also invalid. Okay, so to convert from the invalid to valid BCD, the next step is that is the we will add 6 here in the form of BCD.
सर आपका वॉइस कट रहा है सर.
Okay, so this bit and this bit is invalid, that's why we are adding here 6 in each bit. Sorry, there was a network issue, that's why we are facing some problem. Okay, I think at this moment the whiteboard is visible. Whiteboard is visible? Anyone please
Yes,
give.
sir.
Okay, so just give me a few seconds to write. 10.2, this is 0001, this is 40, this is 0010. We add here, so it is 1011 point triple 10. This is 1010. So in this is invalid BCD and this is also invalid BCD. Now, to convert from invalid to valid, here we are adding 6. So this, in this bit we are adding 6, and in this bit we are adding also, sorry, also 6. So this is 1, this is 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus carry 1, this is also 0, 1 plus carry 1, this is 0, carry 1. Next is 0, triple 1. This is 0. This is 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus carry 1 is 0. 1 plus carry 1, this is 0, carry 1. Okay. So here you can see this is a carry 1. So this carry is shifted to the next bit. Okay. And this is a end around carry. So in the nines complement, using nines complement BCD subtraction, you see if there is end around carry, so this end around carry is shifted to the first bit, and if there is no end around carry, in that case we consider that it is negative and it is in the form of nines complement. So here you can see here the carry, end around carry is generated, but for the tens complement BCD subtraction, here this end around carry is 1 minute. Yes. So this, if there is end around carry, so this end around carry is discarded for the case of BCD subtraction using tens complement. Okay. And if there is no carry, in that sense, the result is negative, and in that sense also the result in the form of tens complement. So here actual result is this carry is shifted to this bit and this is discarded. So this is 1 point, this is 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, this is 1 plus 1, also 0, 1, and this is 40. So if we check that this result is perfectly okay, so first of all here it is 8 and this is 1, so this is 8.1. So here directly I am checking now 10.2 minus 1, so it is 0.1 and this is 8, so it is perfectly okay. So we are getting also 8.1 from this, and directly we are also cross check this value and we are also getting 8.1. Is there any doubt? Is there any
Sir,
doubt? Yeah.
Yes, in this question, we are subtracting BCD according to tens complement, right?
Yeah, yeah.
If
Just
we subtract it using nines complement, so answer will be different or same?
nines complement and tens complement.
Yes, sir.
Now answer is same, but the process is little bit different.
What difference, sir? I can see the difference is only in last step.
This is the main difference. There is no difference. Actually, for the case of nines complement, I have set some steps, and again I am also set some step for tens complement, but only the last step is different. If we consider the nines complement and tens complement procedure, whatever you are saying now, it is okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For the case of nines complement, if the carry is generated, end around carry is generated, so it is shifted to the first bit. But if for the tens complement, if there is end around carry, so it is discard. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whatever you have said just few minutes ago, from your conception, I am getting that you are saying perfectly okay.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Okay. So next is now I am giving another example. Okay, so here you can see the minuend is larger and the supplement is smaller. Okay, now if minuend is smaller and supplement is larger, in that case, suppose here I am giving you one example. Just give me few seconds. Suppose this is 26.25 minus 38.26. So in this problem, which one Suprahend? Hello.
38.26.
Yeah. So first one is we will take the nines complement. So this is 3, this is 7, this is 1, and this is 6. 61.73. Sorry, and plus 1. So this is 61.74. Okay. The first step is over. So here this is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, and this is 0, 1, 0, 0. Minuend, that is 26.25. So 2 means 0, 0, 1, 0. 6 means 0, 1, 1, 0. 2 means 0, 0, 1, 0, and this is 5. 5 means 0, 1, 0, 1. Now we will add. So here this is 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, 1. This is 1, this is 1 plus 1 0 1, sorry, this is 1, this is 1 plus 1 0 1 plus 1 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is also 1, this is also 1, and this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 1. Okay, the BCD addition is okay or not? Hello. BCD addition is okay or not?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now next step is to check that it is invalid BCD or valid BCD. So here for the first bit, it is 9, so it is perfectly okay. Next one is also 9, it is also perfectly okay. The third one, this is also 7, okay, and this is also okay. So all of these bits are okay. So here you can see there is no actual end around carry. So if there is no end around carry, so the result is in negative form, one thing. And if we know this BCD representation in decimal, so it is the value of 8, this is 7, this is 9, and this is also 9. So it is in the form of tens complement. So it is in the form of tens complement. So here we need the actual value. So to actual value, first we need the nines complement here. So we are subtracting here. So this is 0 0. This is 9 minus 7, so 2, and this is 1. Okay, this is the 9th, so tens means plus 1, so this is the 12.01. So our result is minus 12.01. So now I am checking this result is correct or not. So here this is 38.26 minus 26.25. So in that case, here this is 1, this is 0, this is 2, and this is 1, and this is minus. So in both cases we are getting the same result. So you can say that this BCD subtraction using tens complement is perfectly okay. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so can I give you one example for your problem, for your concept? You want to try?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just 1 minute. Please do this problem. This is 206.4 minus 507.6. This is your problem. What is the result?
Minus 301.2.
Yeah. Who said?
Southam.
Uttam. Yes, absolutely Uttam. Very good. I will not solve here. I think already I have discussed here this type of problem. So we will focus for the next topic. I'm just giving you 1 minute. After that, I will move for the next topic. You are getting the same result?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the next topic is XS3 code. Okay. So XS3 code is also a non-weightage code. Okay, or you can say also this is also a sequence code. So first, actually, now at this moment we already know what is the BCD code. Okay, and you already know in BCD code, actually it represents the single decimal digit. If suppose here I am giving you suppose 12. So if we consider this is a BCD code, so how many digit is there? Hello.
2, sir.
2. And if we in the BCD addition, we already see that if we try for BCD addition or subtraction, so each bit is taking the corresponding BCD addition. Okay, so here actually if this is a BCD code, so XS3 means we just add 3 in each bit. Okay, so here, so if we try to add 3, so how we will write here? So this is 3 and 3 because this is BCD code. So our result is 3 plus 2 5 and 3 plus 4 4. So you can say that 45 is the XS3 code for 12. You are getting the point?
Sir, can you repeat it?
Yeah. So I am saying here this 12 is BCD code. Okay. So if this 12 is BCD code and XS3 means whatever you are getting, you just add 3. So in BCD addition में तुमने क्या देखा? Each बीट के साथ ऐड होता है. तो यहाँ पर 12 मतलब 2 बीट है, तो XS3 मतलब 3 ऐड होगा. सो 3 एक बार 2 का साथ ऐड होगा, एक बार 1 का साथ ऐड होगा. तो इसीलिए we are getting now here 45. So this 45 is the XS3 code for 12. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
So here this is the XS3 code for 12. Okay. So now one thing you can also express in also BCD form, because or decode in BCD form. So in that case the answer should be 0 1 0 0 and 0 1 0 1. Okay, so this is the XS3 code of 12. Now one thing, that you know the BCD code, you know the binary code. So you already know for one number from 0 to 9 the BCD code equals to binary code, but whenever we are getting double digit, in that case there is some little bit different. So suppose here I am writing that is number, this is BCD and this is XS3. So in that case for 0 BCD is 0 0 0 0, and if we have the number 0 for 0, what is the XS3 code? What is the XS3 code? Hello? Hello?
33.
No, this is not 33. 0 means just add 3. So here 0 means add 3. So this is 3, and XS3 also in 4 bit for each digit. So the value of 0, so value of XS3 code here, that is 0 0 1 1. XS3 code also follow 8421 rule. Okay, so for the case of 1, so what is the value? For BCD it is 0 0 0 1, and for 1, what is the XS3 code?
4.
4. So 4 means in BCD form, what is the representation?
Zero
0
one
1 0 0.
0 1 0 0. Yes. So this time, this is a table, or you can say easily. So 2 means here 0 0 1 0. So 2 means we just add 3. So if we add 3, so this is like that. Okay, so now suppose here I am writing 14. So for the case of 14, what is the BCD value? For the case of 14, what is the BCD value? for the case of 14, this is
110,
0001,
sir.
0001, and this is 0100. So you can neglect this left zero padding. So this is the digit, or we need at least 5 bit for 14 in BCD. So if it is 14 number, the BCD value is 10100. So the XS3 is 14 plus 3. So in this case, it is 4 plus 3, 7, and this is 3 plus 1, 4. So this is also 4. 4 means first it is 0, 1, 00, and 7 means 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Whenever,
Yes, sir.
so this is the XS3 code. So is there any doubt for XS3 code?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So okay, so next topic, that is the XS3 addition. And before going to start the XS3 addition, I am just giving you 1 minute for your attendance, and all of the participants are requested to put your name in the chat box. Hurry up, in any time the session should be ended. It is less than 1 minute.
Yes, sir. The last question of tens complement subtraction. What was the answer of the question? 206.4 minus 507.6.
No, हेलो, जो हम दिए हैं क्वेश्चन तुमको सॉल्व करने के लिए,
हाँ, उसका
Minus-
आंसर 300
Minus-
minus 300
1.2. तुमका आंसर आया है?